You're not lazy. You're not weak. You're just building routines that were never meant to survive real life. You've done this before. Made a perfect plan. Felt pumped. Told yourself, this time I'll stick to it. 3 days later, dead. Why? Because you built that plan for some fantasy version of yourself, not the real you. The version that wakes up at 5 a.m., does cold plunges, eats kale, works 8 hours straight, meditates, journals, reads, and never slips up. That person doesn't exist. Not yet. And trying to go from zero to robot mode overnight? That's not discipline. That's self-sabotage. The real test is this. Can your routine survive your worst day? The answer is no. It's not a system. It's a show. You don't need aesthetics. You need something that still runs when you're tired, stressed, distracted, or unmotivated. Start painfully small. 5 push-ups, 10-minute focus block, 1 glass of water. Why? Because small actions send big signals. I still show up. I'm still in control. It's where real identity shifts begin. Every habit you add, make it earn its place. Ask yourself, does this actually move me forward? Or am I just copying influencers and calling it growth? Cut the fluff. Build the system. Because real discipline isn't loud. It's quiet, boring, and unshakable. You don't need more hype. You need a routine that keeps running, even when you don't.